Have you been looking for a side hustle platform that will make you 1,000 naira every day, or looking for an app or platform that will make you 1,000 naira that will be receiving 1,000 naira every day in your account? This video is for you. Don't skip. Today's video will be very wonderful. As you can see, it's your boy Ishiboy Ozun. You all are welcome. To my new viewers, you are welcome. You guys are nice people. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Yes, because of you guys, I'm here. Well, without wasting much of your time, we have to dive into our main video. Our main pin the link on the comment section. Tap on the app, open the app. Let's wait a moment. Here, the app is open. It's all about playing games and you can withdraw your money. Here, you have to play the game. Once you download it, because me, as of now, I'm at level 24. You just have to play the game, as in, you just have to should I say, escape from things that will destroy your airpods. Because if you are not much, that means your enemies will kill you and you won't be able to win the game. That's what I want to say about the game. After playing the game, every of the session gives you some amount of money which you can withdraw. Let's continue. Now tap on the blue money tab. You will see withdraw. For now I see I'm 2,450, which means, and how this one calculate is they give you, let me say this 2,450 is 24 naira, which means something like 100k can give you a sum of 1,000 naira which you can withdraw directly to your account. And this one is a red note account. This one you need 23k for you to withdraw, and this one can calculate easily without wasting much of your time. And here you can also gain money by inviting someone. When you invite a friend, they gives you 150 naira red note and 3,100 naira blue note. For the first person that wins the 5 level, 10 level and 15 level, that is how they will be giving you the amount 150 red note and 3,100 naira blue note. You can also end by inviting your friends, and here you have to tap on invite. And from here you can invite your friends for them to come and join. And when you invite them, you get your bonus. All you have to do is to copy the link, and your friends gets 1,500 immediately once you invite him or her. I believe that this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe, share for more, share for other people to see it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.